Welcome back, guys. On this time we have Peugeot 206 key, which is not working. No, nothing. Okay, so we are going to open the key and see what is going on inside. This cover is already not the original cover, so yeah, let's see what we can do. So you have this little bolt on this side, like this, and from then on you just open the key. Okay, I can see there's a button missing here as well. And the battery, let me see if the battery has a charge, because even with one button missing, the other one should work. So now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to measure. Well, the battery is dead. I'm going to be fitting a new one, but before I'm going to add a new button here. Remember, guys, before you clean this with alcohol or whatever, please always remove the battery first, so there is no short circuit or anything. And it will always clean your keys before you do anything. Sometimes, you know, it's half the job done if you clean the key with these tiny things. It's always better to clean, so you can see everything. Maybe some component is missing, maybe some component is needs reflow or something like that. Now I'm going to choose a button here. Well, I'll be fitting this one. Yeah, okay. So after I fit this one, I'll change the battery and see if both of them work. If not, if one of them work, and like for instance, if this one works and this one doesn't, then I'll replace this one as well. But for now, I can check if this one works, like this. And sorry. So like this and like this. Okay, so this one is good, it's working. Now let's go ahead and install this one. So like I said, I'm gonna be changing this button here. Let me see. So let's go ahead and do it. This nice. So now we are going to be changing the battery. So it's a CR 2016. I have one right here. Oh, okay. Like this. Let's fit it like this, and let's test this one. Perfect. Perfect. So now we just put the key back, like so, and let's test it again. Nice, nice. Okay. So this one is perfect as well. We cannot forget to fit the bolt here that holds the blade in place. Let me just see something here. Okay. Okay. Like this. Let me try it again. Nice. So yeah, guys, this is another video about a key diagnose and repair. This one doesn't have to be resynced to the car. They never lose their sync. It's just a matter of getting to the car and just go ahead and try it, and that's it. It's working. Another video, guys. If you liked and enjoyed this video as well, please you know what to do. Subscribe, and hopefully it helps. So yeah, guys, again, please subscribe, don't forget that.